This how to 1 minute will show you how to create custom post types in WordPress. Follow these easy steps to create a custom post types. First of all, we will install a plugin. So go to the plugin section and click on add new. Click on the search plugins box and type here custom post type UI. And this is the plugin you have to install and activate. Once the plugin activate, here you will get this CPT UI option. So hover over on it and click on add edit post types. Now it's time to create a new custom post types. Enter here the post type flag. I'm writing computer and enter here the plural level, singular level. Scroll down and here you will get lots of settings you can customize. Then click on add post type. And here you can see the custom post type has been created. Now let's add taxonomies here. To add taxonomies, hover over on CPT UI option and click on add edit taxonomies. Now enter here the taxonomy flag. Enter here plural level, singular level. Now select the attach to post type. I'm selecting here computer, clicking on add taxonomy. And if I hover over on my custom post type, here we can see the taxonomy has been created. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.